Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Laya and this is my channel Laya Infinity. Today I will be showcasing my updated nail maintenance routine, showcasing how I take care of my nails. Let's dive right in. So starting off with freshly washed hands, I'm going to grab the cuticle pusher to help clean underneath my nails. Yes, washing your hands can help remove the dirt and build up, but the cuticle pusher helps to remove all the dirt completely. Now we're using cuticle remover to help soften the nail cuticles and help remove the dead skin and buildup. Using that same cuticle pusher, we are using the flattened side to help push back those cuticles and remove the extra dead skin on top of the actual nail. Next, I use the cuticle nippers to help remove any excess skin as well as any tough hangnails that I may have. Now I'm going to use this plastic nail brush to help brush away and exfoliate all the excess skin. Then we move into using the Emery Board to help grind down my natural nails so that they can all be around the same shape as well as length. And then I'm just using my other finger to measure so that they are the same length, which is actually a technique that I learned from actual nail techs. Now we have 100% acetone or nail polish remover to help assist with one, dehydrating the nail, and two, removing all the little flakes that I couldn't remove with the nail brush. Now we're using the Emery Board Flex Buffer to help soften out the harsh grinding that we did earlier. It's used to help buff the nails. Using the Cuticle Pusher again, we are removing the excess dust and debris from under my nails once again. Sometimes I tend to just repeat the process of using the acetone and a nail brush to just help clean off the nails. Next, we are using our Maybelline Fast Gel Top and Base Coat to help prep the nail. That's where the shine on that hand is coming from. Normally, I like to just finish off my nails with the base coat. If I don't feel like painting my nails, at least it's protected in some type of way. As this is a fast gel coat, it dries very quickly, so I don't have to waste time sitting there for minutes on end waiting for it to dry. We are using this UV nail light to make it dry faster. And I apply this top and base coat around 3 times to make sure my nail is sufficiently covered. Now I am applying my last base coat. And last but not least, we're using cuticle oil to help moisturize and take care of the cuticles. Using this cuticle oil can also assist with nail growth, so I also do rub it on my nails as well as the cuticles. Speed cleaning montage. Now that I am finished, here is the finished nail. It's short, it's shiny, they're all around the same length, and that is how I take care of my nails. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, check out my other videos. See you in my next video. Bye.